Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. We just got in one of our 7x16s. These are true off-road trailers. They give you guys about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. They sit up taller than your standard trailer by about 5 or 6 inches. Do come with torsion axles and meant to be your all-around, all-purpose trailer. They're insulated with windows, power, and AC. That's what we specialize in here at Colorado Trailers. You guys can view our website always at getmytrailer.com or go to sales@getmytrailer.com and shoot us an email. This one again is a 7x16, 7-foot interior height, so it's tall enough and big enough for most of those UTVs and side-by-sides out there. This one's in a matte gray blackout package, so it does have our thicker aluminum skin. You also have a generator box and platform here on the front. Does not come with a generator, but you've got a place for it to ride and store, and then it is generator ready. You do have that 30 amp twist lock plug right there on the front. Side swivel jack, removable front coupler, great for anti-theft purposes. Give you guys a good shot of this side of the trailer. This unit weighs 3,500 pounds. It's going to give you guys about a 3,500 pound payload capacity. Also does come with a 3-year factory warranty. You have your side door. It is moved back a little bit, so if you want to do a build out and add cabinets or whatever to the front, you can with this unit. You also have the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection there. Step off of that side door, and then you do have some great exterior lighting with these trailers. You've got party lights off the side and load lights off the back, so you guys can see what you're doing at night. You also have two 3,500 pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, awesome 32-inch Mudterrain tires, and black American racing wheels. So you guys can see you've got a nice tire and wheel underneath the trailer. Roof rack and ladder, that's going to give you guys some exterior storage, good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed up there. And then of course you've got a rear ramp door to load, or you've got the rear deck option, so you can use this as a deck as well and have some more exterior space. And there are those load lights off of the back. Interior is insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling. This one has our beautiful silver milled interior instead of the white. It's so pretty. Love it. Battery box, battery charger right there. You've also got your 30 amp box, overhead AC unit with heat strip, couple overhead 4-foot LEDs, and our maxx air roof vent. Performance Nudo floor with dry max, of course. And then here's this awesome interior. I love this color. You've got 6 puck lights, 3 on each side, and these puck lights, as well as your load lights off the back and the party lights off the side, are all ran right here with this battery. So you don't have to be plugged into a generator or a vehicle to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer, which is a huge bonus. And then you've got 2 outlets here, another outlet here, another outlet on the front wall, and you've got your GFI on the outside. So you do have some place to plug some things in as well. We'll walk to the back and spin around so you guys can see the front. Now, if you guys aren't in Colorado, no worries, give us a call. We ship. We literally ship trailers every single day. Give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote to get this trailer delivered right to your door. And always, you can reach us at getmytrailer.com, sales@getmytrailer.com, or 303-688-8485. And be sure to like and subscribe.